Hello everyone, today I am going to show SLT M60 router from SLT. After unlocking this router can be support any SIMs from Sri Lanka, Bell, Airtel, Mobitel, Hutch, Etisalat, Dialog, any SIMs works and also calling function also working. Let's go into the video. Now we are going to start unboxing. This is the model written Tozed brand SLT M60 model from Sri Lanka Telecom. Here is the router and phone device. This can be work as a phone also. Included local area network cable RJ45 and included a charger, 12 voltage charger, and battery included. Battery model SAT2000 lithium ion battery and 2000 milliampere capacity battery. And user manual, M60 model user manual, and hand-free cable. These are the included. Okay, now I am going to insert the battery. And this device support all 3G, 4G SIMs and 2G SIMs. After unlocking, this device can be work as a normal router. This is a SLT router, but can be used any SIMs. I am inserting the battery. There's an adapter. And this device support all Wi-Fi, insert the battery. There's a button on off here, and telephone cable, RJ45 cable, charger cable, and here's the power on button. It's work. So now I am fixing the telephone line cable. And also this can be flexible. Now it's showing please insert SIM. This really good phone for the old people because they can use as a landline also. And this device support Wi-Fi. And after unlocking, this device support all SIMs included Airtel, Mobitel, Hutch, Etisalat, Bell, SLT and other Dialog SIMs. So after unlocking, this support 4G and 3G and 2G SIMs. Also work as a calling function. But another model from Dialog, that device don't support calling function. Only support 4G only. But this device support 3G, 4G and 2G and call function. Check my description below. I have put SLT S10 router, same procedure, same method you have to unlock from this router. Same method if you follow, you can unlock this router. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, click like button. If you dislike button, and comment your opinion. I will reply for each comments, and subscribe our channel for the more video like this. See you on next video.